Happy morning to all. I am present in this video to showcase what are all the superpowers I use in my class that impact my students. Yes. So what I will do when I enter the class. So first and foremost thing is I do the brain gym in my class so that the students know they have to come from the previous class and to my class so that only they can have the focus. Yes, so that brain gym will stimulate their brain to focus in the next concept. So that is the first foremost thing I will do in my class. And then what are all the superpowers I use when I deliver a concept, when I take a lesson. Okay, so first the thing is personalized learning. Okay, so tailoring lessons to individual students needs and the learning styles. If you take a class, no, all the 40 students will not be the same. There will be a wild type students also. So for their each and individual students needs, a teacher's role is to create a individual attention. So he or she has to create an individual learning style so that the students will understand the concept, first and foremost thing. And second thing is empathy and understanding. So what is that? We have to create a safe and supportive environment for the students so that a students feel will be heard and valued. So in Tamil what they will say means ஐயோ அப்படின்னா பாவம், that is sympathy. நான் இருக்கேன் அப்படின்னு சொன்னா it is empathy, that is empathy and understanding. Okay, and then third thing is we have to engage them by narrative methods, simply taking the class in lecture way method and showing the audio visual, nothing doing. So we have to make the complex concepts into the simple and easier understandable ones. That is known as the engaging storytelling narrative. We can say that we have to engage them by making the complex substances into simple one through narrative methods. That's the third one. And then what is the fourth one I will do? We all know that today's learning thing is mainly to connect the learning, academic learning to the real life scenario. So we have to apply the real life scenarios, connect the academic material to the real life scenarios that make your content more relevant and interesting too. That is the thing, that is real life applications is very very essential. That is the fourth superpower I used to do in my class. Basically I am a science teacher. I used to hands-on activities, that is very very important in the science subject. And the last thing what I do in my class is encouraging them, encouraging their curiosity. So they will ask questions in between the class, they will ask questions, we have to address them. So we have to encourage their questions, we have to encourage their explorations and discovery in our class. Yes, so these are the superpowers which I use in my class that impact my students. So thank you for giving this opportunity. We hope you like my video and wish you all a happy Teachers Day. Thank you.